Maria. It's the same as Bloody Mary, but in this we are going to substitute it with tequila. So take your highball, fill it with ice. Again, you need to add 60 ml of tequila. $15 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. Worcester sauce, dash or two. Tabasco according to your preference for the spice. I'll be using 2 to 3 dash. And top it up with tomato juice. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. To complete your drink, all you need is a garnish. So you can use a lime wheel, celery stick, or half a lime or whatever you want. So I'll be using a lime wheel. And there you go. Cheers. It's a Bloody Maria. Wow. This is the same as the Bloody Mary, but it's a unique as it has tequila in it. So you got to try this. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. And please don't forget to drop me a comment below if you have any questions or any cocktails that you want me to do. So just drop me a comment below. And yeah, thanks for now. And cheers until next time.